In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Housecall Pro to GoHighLevel. I'm going to walk through the whole process, so at the end of this video, you will exactly know how you can integrate Housecall Pro to GoHighLevel. Okay, so the first thing you will need to do is go to your GoHighLevel agency view. So not go to your sub-account view, but go to your agency view. Once you're inside of your agency view, go to the marketplace and search for CRM Connector. Okay, so once you have searched for CRM Connector, this is the app that's going to pop up. This is the app that we're going to use for making the integration with Housecall Pro. So basically this app adds over 50 plus native integrations to HighLevel. So just click CRM Connector. Okay. So to install the app, the only thing you will need to do is click the blue button and install the app to your agency view and your preferred sub-accounts. So install the app to the sub-account you would like to integrate with Housecall Pro. You can simply do this by clicking the blue button. Okay, so once you have installed CRM Connector, it will pop up at the bottom left of your agency view. So this is what you will see at your agency view level. You can see all your sub-accounts and also see all your integrations if you have multiple integrations. And you can also see some live demos and instruction videos. So for now, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Housecall Pro. You can also send an external link to your client or yourself to integrate Housecall Pro, so your client doesn't need to log in to HighLevel and they can just fill out the form on this link and then make the integration. But for now, I'm going to go to a sub-account so I can show you the integration process. Okay, so as you can see, currently I'm inside of a sub-account and I have installed CRM Connector to this sub-account. So at the bottom left, you will see CRM Connector, and then you just need to click CRM Connector. So once you have clicked CRM Connector, this is what you will see. So for making the integration, you will need to follow these 5 steps, and then you can review your setup and click connect. And that's the whole integration process. So for making the integration with Housecall Pro, the only thing you will need to do is click Housecall Pro, continue. These are the tags and custom fields that are going to be applied to the contact data that's being transferred from Housecall Pro to HighLevel. And if you're missing a custom field, you can just simply request a tag or custom field and CRM Connector will make this for you. So if you're missing anything, don't worry, they will make it. Then just click continue. And for making the integration, the only thing you will need to do is pasting your Housecall Pro API key. And you can simply find your Housecall Pro API key by clicking here, and then you will see a guided page where you can find your Housecall Pro API key inside of your Housecall Pro account. So once you've found your API key, just paste it right here and then click continue. Then just select a date. So this is for how far back you would like to retrieve data. So for now, I'm just going to select for the last 6 months. I only want to import contact data, but you can also import calendar events from Housecall Pro to HighLevel. And I want to import contact data with completed jobs because I want to use it for a review automation. Then here you can review your integration. And when you're done, then click connect. The integration will be made and CRM Connector will get all the data from 6 months back. And also in the future, every 4 hours, CRM Connector will look for new data inside of Housecall Pro. And then it will sync to HighLevel. So it's fully automatic. And you don't have to do anything else. The only thing you will need to do is set up this integration one time, and then the whole integration is fully automatic and fully set up. So that's the whole process of making a integration with Housecall Pro and HighLevel. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and then I will get back to you. So I will see you in the next video.